Guys, I wanted to talk about the media that lately often report on the artist's private life. In my opinion, the media should not report on the artist's private life because it is troubling for the artist. Even though I'm not an artist. What do you think?
If I agree, because I think the media that reports on the artist's personal life can increase the popularity of the artist, and the public can find out the personal life of the idol artist. Yeah.
I agree with him because the artist needs a rating, and that rating is obtained from the public through the media.
I don't agree because people also need more valuable information that the artist's personal life.
Oh no, Sana, my friend. If that's the case, how can an artist be famous?
But without the media reporting on the artist's private life, the artist can be famous for their talent. Yeah, correct?
No. If that case, what will the media that other report can the artist's personal life report? Why? Impossible.
There are still many things that can be reported. For example, the talent of the artist.
Hmm.
Wah.
Keren, keren.
Yes, yes. I like.
I like it.